Hey guys, Sarang, welcome back to my channel. So today I turned on the camera to talk about my new hair. I don't know if you guys noticed. I'm sure that you guys noticed. I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys how I became a blonde again after going back to dark brown. I did it by myself at home and my hair is actually still there and it's in pretty good condition. So I'm gonna tell you everything I did. So let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know the story of my hair. I'll give you a brief history first. So I started dyeing my hair many years ago, about like 10 years ago. So I went to red hair and light brown, all sort of things that I could do without bleaching my hair. And one day I just thought that you live only once, so I decided to bleach my hair. So I bleached my hair multiple times. I already made a video. I'm gonna put the link up here, so check it out. So I've been blonde for a while, a couple years, and tried all different kinds of hair color: pink, purple, blue. At some point I did unicorn hair. It's a mixture of pink, blue, purple, and lavender. That's purple, silver, gray, fuchsia, ombre, all sorts of things. I was having so much fun with it. And one day I bleached my roots, and while I was washing the bleach out, my hair was falling out. It was really scary. So I decided to stop bleaching my hair and just go back to brunette again. I was happy for like a couple weeks and I got bored. So I decided to bleach my hair again. Anyways, so this time I didn't want to ruin my hair. I knew that my hair might not survive. So I did extensive research. And also this time I want to make my hair look a little bit professionally done, even though I'm not professional. You know, you gotta dream big. So what I was gonna do is baby light balayage, kind of very smooth transition from dark to platinum. That was my goal. And I found out the existence of this product that could rebond the hair while it's bleaching. It's magic of chemistry. So I wanted to give it a try, and I was hoping that it will work on my hair because my hair went through so much already. So what I used was, this is the product that I used this time, Olaplex. By the way, this is not sponsored. So Olaplex has a 3-step process. So first one is bond multiplier, so you kind of rebond your hair. And then the second step is the bond reperfector. So it strengthens the bonds. I wish I knew about this product a long time ago when I bleached my hair for the first time. My hair wouldn't be this damaged then. Another different product I used this time was the bleach. I decided to use better quality bleach this time. I picked these guys: BlondMe Bond Reinforcing Bleach Powder and the 30 Volume Developer. Yeah, I went a little bit higher on developer. I knew that it's gonna be hard to leave the color out because I put the really dark brown on the bleached hair. So I wanted to go a little higher on the developer, and it worked. So here's the result of my experiment. I'm very happy with my hair, and I think I'm gonna keep this color for a while. Yeah. And I just wanted to share with you guys, just in case there are some people like me that wanted to go blonde again after going back to dark. But one thing that I want to tell you is it might be better to seek professional help if you're not confident. If you still decided to bleach your hair at home, I highly recommend you to gather as much as information possible on the internet. The more knowledge you have, the more likely you can avoid hair disasters that you can easily find on YouTube. So these are the notes that I took while I was researching. Basically, I drew a map of my hair and planned exactly how I would apply the products. It didn't really happen this way, but at least I felt prepared when I was bleaching my hair. You really want to be prepared for this because you're putting seriously harsh chemicals on your hair, which could dissolve your hair completely. So these are the products that I used. Starting from the left, I have bleaching powder, 7 volume and 30 volume developer, and no yellow purple shampoo, and Olaplex, my lifesaver. Some toners from BlondMe, and Redken. And a hairbrush, some color brushes by Framar. I highly recommend you invest in good quality brushes because it helps you apply hair products evenly. And I got some gloves and aluminum foil. And of course, a mixing bowl and mixing bottle. So this is before. The top third is light brown, and this is kind of the healthy part of my hair. The rest of my hair is dark because I put permanent chocolate brown hair dye onto already bleached and over-processed hair. I think I bleached my hair more than 20 times prior to going chocolate brown. Mix bleaching powder 1 to 2 with developer, and I'm adding Olaplex. You only need a little bit, 3.75 milliliters per 30 to 6 gram of bleaching powder. You can calculate the amount of Olaplex depending on how much bleaching powder you mixed. I sectioned my hair and started from the bottom. I grabbed a small section and weaved it out. And I applied a bleach mix on the bottom section in a balayage pattern, about an inch away from the roots. For the top section, I did baby light or try to do baby light. So I applied bleach all the way to the roots. This way you add dimension to your hair and a smooth transition as well. My monkey poo was helping me that day. When I weaved out sections, he would apply bleach on the top section, so we could speed up the process. I used aluminum foil to separate top and bottom sections, and then I left the bleach in for 45 minutes. After washing all the bleach out, I applied the second step of Olaplex all over and left it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I washed it with a purple shampoo. This is the outcome of the first bleaching session. I didn't expect it to lift all the way within one session, but it was super blotchy. So we repeated the same thing and it got a little bit better. At this point, I kind of gave up and decided to root smudge and tone my hair and hope for the best. I used Redken Shades EQ and Toffee for the root smudge and mixed it with 7 volume developer. Don't do this. Just get the processing solution from Redken. It will make your life much easier. I did this because none of the Redken processing solution was available on Amazon Prime. Anyways, I applied this mixture to my roots to create root shadow. And while it's processing, I applied BlondMe toner and ice on the rest of my hair. I don't recommend this toner, by the way. So this is the result of the second bleaching session.
What do you think?
What?
What?
Okay, round 3. The next day, I started color correcting. So basically, I applied bleach on the areas that are still orange and blended it out with my fingers. Here, you can see my monkey assistant putting aluminum foil while I'm grabbing the next section. I highly recommend you have someone to help you to speed up the process. After the bleach, I used a gray toner that was sitting in my pantry for years. I actually used it up and I don't recall the name of it. I don't recommend this toner anyway, so it doesn't matter. This is the outcome for the third bleaching session. And 2 weeks later, I decided to bleach my hair one more time. And I bleached my roots as well. This is the result, and you can see my roots are really orange. So I had to correct that again. I bleached my hair total of 5 times to achieve this color. And this is the final result after toning with Redken Shades EQ toner. I mixed 8P, 9V, 9GB. I do recommend Redken toners because it gives perfect natural looking shades. So this is it for today. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments. And if you have any product recommendations regarding bleaching your hair and maintaining healthy blonde hair, please let me know in the comments as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
If you want to see Jessie's hair bleached,
Let me know in the comments below.